bro. I'm sorry for lagging, bro.
Nah, dude,
How are you, man?
And I hated quick ranch.
This one is so sick, but Alright, y'all. Check it out. We at JC Skate Park. This is one of my favorite skate parks. The ledges are pretty mellow. You got this like flat bar type thing. It's super sick, actually. Very sturdy. Very good height, you know, for board slides and whatnot. Beautiful. I like this, like, I'm gonna call it like a concrete wave. I think this thing is super sick. Yeah, I'm not too good. I'm kind of scared to skate this thing, honestly, but I might try something. We'll see. Got some mellow ledges, this mellow rail, little mellow bank, dude. Perfect. We got Thelocaljoe hitting it up. Some transition right here. Very nice, very nice. Right here we have, I think this is a 6 or 7 stair. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 6 stair. We also got some handrails. I don't know if I can skate this. This is kind of, you got to be like really comfortable on your board to skate this. And I'm kind of, I just don't want to get hurt, you know? Skating is dangerous, and if I get hurt, it's gonna make me sad and it's gonna make me not want to skate anymore. So be safe, wear a helmet if you skate something scary like this. Very cool obstacle. I don't know how I would skate this, but I assume that if you do skate this, you would have to go really, really fast and mob pretty hard. So pretty cool obstacle. Maybe I could like ollie into it. And then you have here this like nipple like thing. I think this obstacle is hella sick. I might try a few things here and there. We'll see. But that's pretty cool, pretty mellow. I think they call this like an A-frame. I'm not sure, I could be wrong, but it's kind of like a bump to bump, and then it has like a ledge. You can like bump over the rail, or you could bump onto the rail, or you could bump onto the ledge. This is kind of more for advanced skaters. I'm not sure if this is something that I could skate, but I might try. I could try, we'll see. And then you have this nice hip. It's pretty sick. This one is a little steeper than I'm used to. I would usually practice on something a little more mellow, like a pyramid, but definitely get some cool ass clips on this one. Just a little too steep for me. And then we got a 2 flat 2. That's pretty sick. A down rail, a nice little bank, more ledges. And if you notice about this park, it has a lot of flow. So like this obstacle flows into that obstacle, and then you can flow around into that, and then you can come around and then just keep going around in a circle. So I think that this is really sick. And then this is probably my favorite part of the skate park. This is the part where I'll be chilling out the most. You got this nice little 3 stair, and then you have the hubba, the rail. But you know what? I don't even think I'm good enough to skate some shit like this. Maybe the 3 stair, but I don't know about the handrail. And I could definitely skate the bank, and maybe the hubba right here might be sick. And this flat ground part is my favorite part. Super sick, kind of like a mani pad. You can like ollie up onto here, do a manual all the way up into the end, and then do an ollie down the 3 stair would be sick. But yeah, that's the skate park. Flows really nicely. There's not too many skate parks like this where I'm from, so going out to this one is super special and it's a lot of fun. So hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Now let's skate it, I guess.
That's what I'm saying, dude. That thing is crazy.
I would like to try board slide, front and back board slides.
All right. Which one do you want first?
Backboard slides.
Okay,
I think that's the goal. All right, let's try.
Oh no! Oh. That's how it is for me with my friend. It's like
the camera's on.
Yeah, the camera's on. I start tripping out.
That's what makes it fun though, right?
Yeah.
That's what's supposed to make it fun.
So good, dude.
That was crazy. Build up to this. I mean, it's like,
Yeah, dude. That. Yes, dude. Yes, dude. That looks clean.
thank you. Hell yeah.
Not the. Yes, dude. I'm so glad that wasn't worse.
Oh. It's so hot outside that you guys keep dying on us. You guys keep overheating. If you're overheating, I'm overheating, alright? So quit overheating. We got Thelocaljoe.
All you do is press down and then you basically push forward and like that, just push it in front of you and jump, then it springs out right over that, or pushing into that wheel. Yeah. I just feel like everybody that's learned crooks has been there, especially if you are learning how to pop them out like this. Everyone counts. Yeah.
It's like I was watching a Thelocaljoe video, but right here in person.
Yes. Yes. Do you feel that though?
Thanks, Thelocaljoe. Thanks for helping me out learn tricks, learning how to crook.
Dude,
I almost got it. Dude, I'm gonna get it.
You need to learn it and then turn it into a short. Like,
yes, most definitely.